Hey fam, welcome to Shilling Savvy. Today we're diving into the budgeting apps that can transform your finances in 2025. If you want to make, save, and grow your money, you need to know exactly where it's going, and that's where budgeting apps come in. I'll break down 5 top budgeting apps, covering what makes each unique, who they're best for, and what they cost. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or want to level up your savings, you'll find something here. We'll look at everything from zero-based budgeting to digital envelopes and AI-powered tracking. Ready? Let's jump in. First up is YNAB. You need a budget. If you've ever felt like your money disappears before you even realize it, YNAB is designed to help you take back control. This app has become a favorite among budgeting enthusiasts and financial planners for a reason. YNAB is built around the concept of zero-based budgeting, which means every single shilling you earn is assigned a specific purpose. Instead of letting money sit idly in your account, you give each shilling a job, whether it's for rent, groceries, savings, or even a fun night out. This approach ensures that nothing slips through the cracks, and you always know exactly where your money is going. The heart of YNAB lies in its 4 simple but powerful rules. Give every shilling a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. These rules help you break free from living paycheck to paycheck by planning for both expected and unexpected expenses. You'll learn to anticipate big bills, adjust when life throws you a curveball, and gradually build a financial buffer. YNAB makes it easy to stay on top of your finances. You can sync your bank accounts for automatic transaction imports or enter expenses manually if you prefer a hands-on approach. The app's goal tracking and detailed reports give you deep insights into your spending habits, helping you spot trends and make smarter decisions. YNAB is especially perfect for planners who crave total control over their money. If you have irregular income, like freelancers or gig workers, or ambitious savings goals, YNAB's flexible system adapts to your unique situation. It's also great for couples or families who want to collaborate on their finances and set shared goals. There's definitely a learning curve, but YNAB offers a wealth of tutorials, live workshops, and a supportive online community to help you master the system. With a little practice, you'll find yourself making confident financial decisions and feeling more in control than ever. YNAB is a premium app costing $14.99 per month or $99 per year, but you can try it with risk-free with a generous 34-day free trial, enough time to see real changes in your financial habits. If you're serious about budgeting and want to be intentional with every shilling, YNAB can truly be a game changer. Many users report feeling less stressed, more organized, and even excited about managing their money. However, if you're looking for something more casual or prefer a free tool, don't worry, there are plenty of other options out there. Keep watching as we explore more budgeting apps to find the perfect fit for your style. Ultimately, YNAB is for those who are ready to take charge of their finances, set meaningful goals, and see real, lasting results. If you're ready to transform your relationship with money, YNAB is a powerhouse worth considering. Next up is Goodbudget, a modern digital twist on the classic envelope budgeting system that's been around for generations. If you've ever heard of the old school method where people would divide their cash into paper envelopes for different expenses, this app brings the same discipline and structure into the digital age. No more carrying around stacks of envelopes or worrying about losing track of your cash. With Goodbudget, you set up digital envelopes for all your spending categories. Think groceries, fuel, dining out, or even special savings goals. You decide how much money to allocate to each envelope at the start of the month, and then manually track your spending as you go. Every time you make a purchase, you enter it into the app, which helps you stay accountable and see exactly where your money is going. One of the standout features is how well it works for couples or families. You can sync your budget across multiple devices, so everyone stays updated in real time. Whether you're splitting expenses with a partner or teaching kids about money, Goodbudget makes it easy to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. The free version is generous, offering up to direct to 10 envelopes and all the basic features you need to get started. If you want more flexibility, the Plus plan, priced at $8 per month or $70 per year, unlocks unlimited envelopes, advanced reports, and priority support, making it a great option for those with more complex budgeting needs. Goodbudget is perfect if you want hands-on control over your finances and love the envelope method, but don't need automatic bank syncing. It's especially useful for people who want to be intentional with every dollar and don't mind putting in a little extra effort to track their spending. Of course, the manual entry process can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it forces you to be more mindful and aware of your spending habits, which can lead to better financial decisions. On the other hand, if you have a lot of transactions or tend to forget to log purchases, it can feel a bit tedious or overwhelming at times. Goodbudget is laser focused on helping you manage your cash flow and day-to-day spending. It doesn't track investments or calculate your net worth, so it's best for people who want to master their monthly budget rather than manage their entire financial portfolio. If you're looking for a simple, proven method with strong sharing and collaboration features, Goodbudget is a solid pick. It's great for building teamwork and financial discipline, whether you're budgeting solo or with others. Ultimately, Goodbudget is perfect for those who value structure, discipline, and teamwork in their budgeting journey. If you want a straightforward tool that helps you stay accountable and connected, it's definitely worth a try. Now let's dive into Monarch Money, the all-in-one financial dashboard that's changing the way people manage their money. Imagine having every aspect of your financial life organized and accessible in one place, right at your fingertips. Monarch brings together your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, giving you a complete and up-to-date view of your net worth. No more logging into multiple apps or websites. Monarch syncs everything automatically, so you always know exactly where you stand financially. The interface is sleek, modern, and highly customizable. You can personalize your dashboard with clear, colorful charts and graphs that make tracking your progress easy and even enjoyable. Set financial goals, monitor your spending, and see your progress at a glance. Monarch syncs with thousands of financial institutions, automatically categorizing your transactions for you. It also tracks your bills and subscriptions, helping you avoid late fees and spot unwanted charges. You can even review and cancel subscriptions directly from the app, making it easier to stay on top of recurring expenses. Monarch is a premium service costing $15 per month or $99 per year, but there's a free trial so you can test out all the features before committing. The price reflects the advanced tools and security it offers, making it a serious choice for those who want to take control of their finances. Monarch is best for people who want to manage everything, budgeting, investments, and net worth in one seamless platform. Whether you're a busy professional, a couple planning your future, or someone aiming for financial independence, Monarch can help you stay organized and motivated. Of course, there are some downsides. The price may be a barrier for some, and if you're just looking for a simple budgeting tool, Monarch's robust features might feel overwhelming at first. It's designed for those who want depth and detail in their financial tracking. But if you're searching for a beautiful, comprehensive financial hub that brings clarity and control to your money, Monarch Money is definitely worth a look. It could be the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for. For iPhone and iPad users, Copilot is a standout. Its AI learns your spending habits, categorizes transactions, and tracks subscriptions automatically. The app is sleek, easy to use, and integrates perfectly with iOS, including widgets for quick snapshots. Copilot lets you build custom budgets and tracks investments, though not as deeply as Monarch. It's 9-month or 70-year with a free trial mid-range for premium apps. Copilot is perfect for iOS users who want smart, automated insights and a beautiful interface. If you're on Android, you'll need to look elsewhere, but for Apple fans, Copilot is a top pick. Last up is PocketGuard, the app for anyone who wants budgeting made simple. It links to your accounts, tracks income and bills, and shows you exactly how much is in my pocket to spend safely. The interface is clear and beginner-friendly, focusing on your real, disposable income. The free version covers the basics. PocketGuard Plus 13-month or 75-year adds custom categories and debt payoff tools. It's great for those who want quick answers to "can I afford this?" without overcomplicating things. Downsides: less manual control and limited investment tracking. If you want a no-fuss, automated way to avoid overspending, PocketGuard is a strong choice. That's 5 of the best budgeting apps for Kenyans in 2025, each with its own unique strengths and features to help you manage your money. The key is to pick the one that fits your personal goals. And start today. Even just a week of tracking can truly change your money mindset for the better. Don't overthink it. Try a free version or trial and see what actually works best for you and your lifestyle. Building financial confidence starts with understanding your spending habits and patterns. Let me know in the comments which app you'll try, or if you already have a favorite budgeting tool. Grab my free budget tracker below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week on Shilling Savvy for more tips.